Come test drive the 2020 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.